Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this 1950s look in dress and press without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one and you're going to choose bangs only, and you're going to make it this color. And this one, you can remove the bangs and make it the same color, and also this one, make it no bangs. And then this necklace, you're going to make it toggle 2 and make it white, and this item as well, make it type 3, and this earring, make it white, and this necklace, make it white for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on this skirt and we're going to apply pattern. But wait, let me search for the pattern. Okay, this one, and we're going to make it white. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the top area. Oops, wait, I'm going to put on this heels first, make it black. Okay, and go to the top area and I'm going to put on this top, and then we're going to make it this red color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to put on the gloves. We're going to remove the fur, and for the color, just make it white. Okay, and I'm going to go to the dressing room, and from this dressing room I'm going to choose the coats item. Wait guys, okay, this bag, and then I'm going to make it black and also white. Okay, for the third selection, make it white, and for the last selection as well. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.